Have you ever imagined just typing a few lines of an idea, hitting one button, and boom, you've got a professional-looking video? No filming, no editing, not even holding a camera? Sounds like one of those too-good-to-be-true promises, right? Well, stick around, because I'm about to show you how to do exactly that, right inside Canva in just a few minutes. And hey, before we get started, if you love powerful AI tools that save you hours of work and can even help you boost your income, hit that subscribe button now. And make sure to watch till the end, because I'm going to share a hidden trick that almost nobody talks about. Miss it, and your video might end up looking a lot less eye-catching. Quick tip for you. If you're on Canva's free plan, you get 5 AI video generations for free. If you upgrade to Canva Pro, your first month includes 50 free generations. More than enough to experiment with different ideas without spending a dime. All right, let's jump in. I'll walk you through step by step from logging in to having a ready-to-share AI video. Open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you log in, you'll see your main dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Create. From the menu, choose Video. Now the video editor opens. Look down at the bottom left corner. You'll see Magic Media. Click that. Then choose Videos and select Text to Video. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a box to type your description. That's your prompt, and Canva's AI will turn it into a real video. You can start simple. For example, a giraffe eating tree leaves on the African savanna. Close-up cinematic shot. Click Generate Video. Wait a few seconds, and boom, your video appears ready to play. But here's the fun part. You can add style details to match the vibe you want. A simple formula to remember is subject plus style plus type of video. Example: a superhero riding a flying carpet. Modern and humorous style. Entertainment video. You can also play with styles like drone footage, opening scene, classic film, animation, documentary, or sci-fi. Want to control the camera angle? Canva can do that too. Example: Swiss landscape shot with moving drone view. Or try bird's eye view, over the shoulder, close-up, wide shot. Just describe it clearly, and the AI will match your angle. Want your video to look even more cinematic? Add the lens type to your prompt. Example: a rooster crowing at dawn. Telephoto lens. Each lens type changes the feel completely. Wide angle, telephoto, macro, or fisheye. These small details can make your video look like a Netflix documentary instead of just another clip. Let's do a real example. From Canva's homepage, go to Apps, search for AI Video Generator, and open it. I'll choose the Google V2 model because, in my experience, it usually gives sharper quality. For my prompt, I'll type, 2 brown bears catching salmon in a flowing stream. Next, I'll set the duration to 5 seconds and the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. Click Generate, and just a few seconds later, Canva has the video ready. Fast, simple, and surprisingly accurate. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a complete AI video from scratch, using nothing but text. No camera, no editing software, no complicated setup. Just type, click, and get your video. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen David AI so you never miss my detailed AI tutorials. I'm here sharing my favorite AI tricks with you. All right, I'll see you in the next video.